Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Here in Texas, guys, the temperature is going to drop to 10 degrees. Wonderful, isn't it? Anyway, so today, guys, I'm going to do an unboxing from Bella Art Diamonds. And I did a sneak peek on a painting from Bella Art Diamonds called Waiting for the Holiday by Yaroslava Guskova. Love this artist, and I decided that I want to get them all. So this one I actually got. This one is called Sweet Dear Girl. Okay, and like I said, it's by Yaroslava Guskova, and I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. So it comes in a beautiful black sleek box. It has the butterfly, a very colorful butterfly. It says Bella Art Diamonds. And then on the side, it basically says it's high quality canvas, thick protective cover, premium poured glue, clear symbols, superior shine, hand rendered and licensed artwork. And then in the bottom, it has a warning of choking hazard. And then in the back, I love this because it has pictures of the instructions step by step, and also you can read them. All right, and then on the side of the box, very, very colorful. So let's open this baby up. Oh, before we do, on the top of the box, it also has a sticker with a picture of the painting and all the information, just in case if you're gonna put them on a shelf, and that way you'll know what painting is in this beautiful box. All right, so what do we know about Yaroslava Guskova? She is a self-taught artist, and she likes to draw magical, bright illustrations with magical creatures and cute animals. And I believe she has 5 paintings from Bella Art Diamonds, and one is Waiting for the Holiday, another one is Bubble Girl, and of course this one, Sweet Dear Girl, and so on. So yeah, I'm gonna try to collect them. Now this one comes in square and round, which is great. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, it comes with the Bella Art Nicole essential tray. I have a couple of these. I love them, guys. So yeah, and all the paintings, as you can see, come in a protective bag. So I guess when it's traveling, you know, it's protected. Okay, let's open this baby up. I was basically hibernating. I'm going to be hibernating in the house until Wednesday. That's when it gets, I think, 40 something. It'll get warmer again. Okay, let's see if I can get the sticker. Yeah, here it is. Okay, put the canvas aside. So all the paintings come with a big sticker. Now look at how beautiful she is, guys. Okay, so on the top it says Bella Art Diamonds, enhancing your diamond painting experience. Sweet Dear Girl, licensed from Yaroslava Guskova. And the size is 55 centimeters by 55 centimeters. It is a round, because I prefer round, but like I mentioned earlier, it does come in square also. And then it has the pre-cut stickers, as you can see. So you can actually put these on the containers or on your bags, because it does come with thick baggies. And what I love about this also, as you can see, it's numbered 1 through 8. 1 through 8, and then you see the alphabet. So you have alphabet, and then you have symbols. I call this one an alien symbol. You got a music note, a little planet, and so on. I love the happy face. And I believe this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs, guys. Love it. Okay, so let's put this aside because we might need that later on. And of course, it comes with a kit. I love this bag. I love the size of this bag. All right, so let's see. What do we have in here? Let's bring back the tray. Okay. So it comes with a diamond pen. This is a single placer, so you can pick one drill at a time with this side. This one, I believe it's maybe 3. And this one is maybe, actually comes with 3 multi-placers, as you can see. And then of course a single placer. Wow, I think this is more than a 7, I'm not sure. And maybe this is a 4, a 7, and a 3, and a 1. Okay, and it comes with a comfort grip. Let's see if I can get it in. Sometimes I can. Aha, this one was easy. See? And this is supposed to help with your hands, especially if you suffer from arthritis. Okay, and then what I love about this is that it doesn't matter if it's a round or a square, it comes with tweezers. Very, very sharp tweezers, so be very careful. And it comes with blue wax in this very pretty container. Okay, and of course this pretty washi tape. So let's open this a little bit so you can see it. It's got like little trees, not little trees, these are actually supposed to be, I don't know if these are pine trees. See that? And then you have the blue background. Very pretty. Okay, so let's put this aside because we don't need this right now. And of course it comes with the drills. And we'll be looking at that in a second. Okay, let's put that aside. Now the canvas, it's a very, very nice soft canvas. It's got scallop edges to prevent fraying. Oh my gosh, guys. She's beautiful. I love her. Okay, I'm just gonna roll it this way because you can, because it's poured glue. Okay, now let's just look at the bottom very quickly here. On the bottom, it basically has a picture of the painting. And then it says, Sweet Dear Girl, licensed from Yaroslava Guskova, 55 by 55 centimeters, which is 21.65 by 21.65 inches. And then in the middle, it says Bella Art de Nicole. Okay. And then over here, it tells you where you can find them: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And let's unroll this beauty. Voila. Oh my gosh. She's gorgeous, guys. I love her. Okay, focus, Sylvia. Now on the top, again, the logo, Bella Art Diamond, enhancing your diamond painting experience. On the left-hand side, it says, share your love for Bella Art Diamonds on social media, hashtag Bella Art Diamonds. And then over here on the right hand on the top, it just says www.bellaartdiamonds.com or www.bellaartdenicole.com. And what I love about Bella Art Diamonds is also it comes with 2 legends. Okay, let me move this over here. So you got a legend on the left hand side on the bottom, and then you have another legend on the right top side, and this is what's called a reversed legend. So this is wonderful, guys. So if you want to work like on this side here on the top, so all you have to do is basically turn your painting around and you're able to see the legend and read it correctly. Okay, I love that. All right, so it comes with a very, very good quality thick plastic. Very clear symbols. It's excellent the way it's rendered. I'm just going to bring it up so you can see. Look at that, guys. It's got a little bit of both. It's got a lot of confetti, which I don't mind, and a little bit of color blocking. As if you can see her face, there's color blocking, which means that you're not going to have to change your drill a lot there. And look at those beautiful eyes. Look at that hair. And of course, she's gorgeous, guys. So what do we see? All right, so we see this beautiful girl, and she looks like she's got like, well, let me get this over here. I need this. So she has like purple hair with curls, and then she's got white hair on here. So it's like maybe white highlights, or she's getting gray hair. Who knows? I don't know. And she has this beautiful face with beautiful almond-shaped eyes, and they look like they're purple or violet. And then she has very rosy cheeks because it's cold, guys. This is perfect for now. It's very wintry. It's cold. Ooh. And then she, as you can see, she has her hands together, probably rubbing them together. And she's wearing these colorful blue, they have like blue and pink, purple, like a light purplish or pinkish color. She's wearing mittens, and then she has this coat with fur all around her. And then all around her, guys, let's not forget, I almost forgot, she's wearing, well, I think she's supposed to be, it says, the title is Sweet Dear Girl, so I'm assuming she's a deer. So she has antlers. And then as you can see over here, these, I think, are the deer ears. I think this is one, but I'm not sure if you can see the other one. Oh yeah, you could. It's like over here. her ears. Just adorable. And of course she has lights all around her. They could be Christmas lights, or they could be any kind of lights. Some people like to decorate their craft room, which I do. I have lights in my craft room. And so, yeah, it could be any kind of lights. And then, of course, she has sparkle all over her. And then she's got like this dark color back here. But there's like purple, like dark purple, blues. Just absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love her. Love this artist. All right, so very quickly, let's look at the drills. Now, the drills are resin drills. And resin drills are excellent, guys. Good quality. All right, and we're just gonna take out the 5 ABs. And what I love about these bags, guys, like I mentioned earlier, they are thick bags, good quality, and you could actually put them in the container. I have the container downstairs. It's basically, it's a slot. I think I have the 34, the 42, I can't remember, it's downstairs. But you could actually put your baggies in there, so they're standing, and you could actually take the labels from here, if you like, and you can actually put them like up here or even up here, and you can actually see them. So yeah, and this is also a numerical order. I love that. So that means that we just have to go back here, and the ABs should be there. We said 5. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And I'm just gonna see if I can open this a little bit. Oops, too moved. Let's just put it there for now. It's okay. Oh my God, the colors are so beautiful and bright and very colorful. I think it's like every color in here. Look at this. So you have blues, greens, pinks. Oh wait, I need the light a little closer for this now. Is that better? So you got blues, pinks, greens, brown. This is like an apricot color. Then you've got some black. This is like a purplish pink. Lots of blues, probably for the background. Then this is like a salmon color, some green. This is like a like an olive green, purple. You have some purples here, but a darker purple, a lighter purple. Then maybe oh my gosh, I forgot the name of this color. It's blue in the blue family. More purples, grays, and purples. Lots of purples and pinks and blues. All right, so let's put that aside. And now let's look at the ABs. And just in case you don't know what ABs stands for Aurora Borealis, which means that it's a drill with an extra shine. All right, so this is the first one. This is 208 AB. And this is, actually, let me see if I can turn this light on so we can see a little better. Is that better? I don't know. Okay, this is 208 AB, and it's a very, very pretty purple. See that? I don't know if you can see the shine. Okay. And then the next one is 775 AB. This is a very pretty light blue. And this one is 995 or 995 AB. This is another blue, but this is a lighter. This is a darker one. Very pretty. And this one is 996, which is 996 AB. This one is basically in between. This one's lighter than this one. And then the last one, 5200 AB, which is white. Very pretty white. All right, so those are the 5 ABs, and now we're gonna bring back that beautiful painting, and we're gonna figure out where these drills go, these ABs. All right, let me bring back my little sweet girl. All right, so 46, this is when the legend comes in handy, guys. So 46 right there, AB. It's gonna be like 2 squiggly lines. And of course it's purple. So you try to find, also look for the purple. Okay, I see it right here. So this looks like, well, I'm gonna need the picture. It's easier for me to see it. Wait a minute, let's get rid of this glare. Is that better? And should I turn this light off? Is that better? Yeah, I think so. This light, this glare. Okay. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, so This is going to be 208 AB, and we said it's going to be the 2 squiggly lines. Okay, and it looks like it's right here. I don't know if those are the part of the mittens or the inside of the coat. I think that's what it is, like inside of the lining. It's like purple. Yep. All right, where else? And then you have some here, and this is part of her jacket, I believe. Actually, they're everywhere, the squiggly lines. Then you have some over here. That's her hair. Let's see. And over here again on her curls, like the edge of her curls. Oh my God, that's gonna look so pretty. And of course, you have some here. So that's gonna be very sparkly right there on her hair, up here. Yeah, then some over here, like on the background where the sparkles are. You got some there and some over here. Wow. Okay, then the next one is 775 AB, and that's letter N, small, lowercase n. Okay, let's see. All right, I see it. It's the light blue. So it's right, I just saw it. Where is it? Okay, over here. And I believe this is part of her arm of the coat. Okay, of her jacket or coat. Any in her mittens? Nope. Light blue. Where are you? N. Oh, over here. A lot over here. And that is part of the background. It's like a light. It's part of the sparkles. Then you have some over here. How about over here on this side? Let's see. No, mostly on that side. Okay. All right. And then the next one is 995, and this is going to be, I don't even know. It's like looks like a star. All right, so let's see. This is blue, so it's over here. It's going to be on her mittens. I see a lot on her mittens. I see some over here on the sparkles. Any there? No, that's not it. No, not there. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be on her mittens. Okay. And yeah, and then over here, this is part of her coat. Right here. There's some there. And some down here in her coat. Okay. And the next one is 996. And that's going to be the 3 little dots. And it's going to be all over her coat. Oh my gosh. It's going to be all over her coat. Some on the gloves or the mittens. Or mittens. Up here. Yeah, some up here. Up here on the background. Let's see. Okay. Sort of like a little bit of everywhere, that blue. And then of course the last one is the 5200, which is white AB. And that's going to be the arrow pointing to the right, but the bottom right. And it's all over here on her fur. Oh my gosh. That's going to be so beautiful, so sparkly. Then of course you have a couple that like a little bit of everywhere. And is it on her hair? Yeah, she has it also on her highlights here on the white, and then a couple here on the sparkles. On the sparkles, and over here also on the sparkles. Okay, I think that's it. So I absolutely love this painting. I'm going to try to see if I start this one next month. I will try my best. And I do actually have another one. The other one is, oh gosh, I can't remember the name, but I'll probably do the unboxing of that one soon also. All right, so I hope you love this painting as much as I do. And look at her, she's absolutely gorgeous. And try to keep warm. And because it is very, very cold all over. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.